Okay, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. I'm not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a really beautiful, easy salad of potatoes and the beans. So let's just have a look what we've got here. I'm using some white beans. Now you could be using a mixed type of bean or a red bean, chickpeas, up to you. Some potatoes that I've peeled, cut and cooked. And then you can add kind of what you want really. I've got some sweet corn, some tomatoes, they're beautiful actually, cherry tomatoes, I've just tasted them, they're really beautifully sweet. Some celery, grated carrot, lots of fresh mint, that's going to be the big flavour in here. And then we've got a little bit of chopped onion and then equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice. Now this is quite a lot, you might not want to make this amount, so you can kind of reduce them down a bit. We're going to add some salt and pepper, that is it. Going to get that in a bowl, give it a mix. Okay, so you'll need a mixing bowl here. I'll need quite a large one. As you can see, I've got my potatoes in and my beans. These are haricot beans, which are what baked beans are made of. But like I say, you could be using something completely different. Let's get some onion in there. Let's get some grated carrot. Celery. Some sweet corn. Those fantastic, very beautifully sweet cherry tomatoes. Lots of lovely fresh mint. Try a different herb if you want, but I think mint works so well in this. We're now going to get some salt in the mix. We're going to get some black pepper in there. And then for our dressing, really simply, we're going to add equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice. In they go. I'm going to grab my spoon, I'm going to give that a mix. Okay, and there you go. How simple is that? How beautiful is that salad? I'll tell you how beautiful it is. It's a diamond. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.